Good morning, Doctor. My name is Leonard and I am from Section 3, Group HTTP, and I'm going to do self-reflection video for my leadership. So for our project background, the domain is public health and education with a focus on dengue awareness and prevention in Malaysia. The application aims to tackle dengue fever through innovative educational approaches using augmented reality. And for our system, we use augmented reality application for dengue awareness and education. This app will provide interactive visualizations, real-time data integration, gamification, and offline access to enhance public understanding and engagement in dengue prevention. The stakeholder is the users of age 7 to 17 and public health official. So the self-reflection on my experience gained during the software engineering course on the leadership skills development during performing the project, that I have already learned how to separate the work for each group member to maximize the efficiency and ensure the work can be done before deadline. And I have also learned how to monitor my team member progress to spot earlier mistake and solve it before deadline. And I also have get the collaborative leadership experience using Draw.io and Lucid Chart. And I also learned how to do time management and strategy planning. So in my opinion, the essential knowledge and skills that a leader must possess in order to ensure the success of a project is communication skills. You have to listen actively to your team members, and so you can give a good feedback for them and help them with their problems. And decision making skills, you have to make the decision based on available data and not just do a random decision that will destroy your project. And time management knowledge is to effectively managing one's time and the team's time to ensure deadlines are met, because not everyone is free every day, so it is the leader's responsibility to manage the time for himself and the team member. Leadership and motivation, inspiring and motivating team members to achieve their best performance. The key qualities that an effective leader should possess to ensure the success of a project is accountability, taking responsibility for project outcomes, both successes and failures, resilience, remaining calm and composed in the face of setbacks or stress. Adaptability is being flexible and responsive to changes in project scope and requirements. So here are the relevant example of mine in decision making. So in the photo you can see I make the decision based on the available data in my notes and based on what the advice doctor had given during our presentation. And for communication skills, I assign the work for them and I have already tell them their work scope and what they have done. And the time management, I choose the time for our meeting since I choose the time for our meeting and everyone will follow it if they are okay with it. And leadership and motivation, so in right here in the photo, they have a problem with their project, so I give my opinion and I tell them how to solve it and I give the solution to it. And accountability is I help them to check it, so if there is something missing in the project, the responsibility falls with me because I didn't did my job properly. And that's all for this leadership video. Thank you, sir.